In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put restrictions on Safari web browser on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then scroll down a bit until you find Screen Time. We need to get into screen time, and then if we scroll down a little bit, we can easily find the option which is called Content and Privacy Restrictions. We need to get into it. First off, make sure this toggle button turned on, and after that we need to enter content restrictions. After that, tap right here where it says web content. By default, on any device it is set to unrestricted, like in my case, so now all the websites are allowed to be accessed from that particular device. However, let's say we would like to limit all the adult websites. There is a cool feature here. We can just select limit adult websites and it will limit all the websites with adult content in one click. And moreover, we can customize it by adding some websites to always allow and to never allow. So let's say if we would like to always block Facebook on that device, we can add Facebook URL. I'm just gonna enter facebook.com here, and if we add any website to never allow exception list, it will block this website on that particular device. However, there is one more feature here which is called allowed website. If we tap on it, it will give just an access to websites from the whitelist. By default, there are some websites here, and it means that all the other websites are currently blocked on that device. However, we can easily add new website here by tapping Add that button. Right here, we can enter a title and also a URL. After that, all we have to do is just tap Add Done to add this website to whitelist. Basically, guys, that's how we can easily put restrictions on Safari web browser on any iPhone. However, to protect these settings from being changed, we need to head over to screen time again, and if we scroll down a bit right over here, we can easily find a lock screen time settings feature. We need to tap on it and it will allow us to set screen time passcode. Just enter some digits here, then confirm them, then enter your Apple ID, email or phone number to be able to recover your screen time passcode if you forgot it. And after that, tap Add Done to continue. It will set a screen time passcode, and then if someone will try to get access to content restrictions, it will ask them to enter screen time passcode, so they wouldn't be able to get to that part of settings on your device without knowing screen time passcode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.